Hello friends, welcome to the Trinity stamps. I think this was their January release. Shows just, anyway, it was close to the end of January. Stay tuned, I actually have a giveaway with this as well. So many cute things. Wanted to get this filmed. Cute stuff. First off, disclaimer as always, these were sent to me. I do not have to do these release and reviews. I just like doing them. And yeah, let's just get right into it. First thing is 6x6 pattern paper. This is the Love DANI paper collection. So it's all double-sided. So we've got like little like stripes and hearts and like suns and clouds and just like cute, you know, all in like rainbow fabulousness. Love the rainbow stuff. So you get a whole bunch of papers in the paper pack. So we have the papers. Then we have, I love Trinity's little like quirky punny, I guess, sets. There's a couple in here that are just make me laugh. So this one, this is the Here SPORE You little set. So you got these little mushrooms. I love he's like doing the little heart. So yeah, I am here SPORE You. Love you so much. And this one, oh shiitake. Love it. Perfect for a belated birthday. Just, it's cute. There's a coordinating wafer die set that die cuts the little characters as well as the sentiments. So I love that. And then with the mushroom theme, there's a more, I guess elegant you can call it, PORTA-HELLO. I think this is so pretty. So there's the stamp and then a bunch of sentiments that are also like punny, like shiitake happens. Thanks so much. I have so much room in my heart for you. I love you moral and moral each day. So yeah, and then PORTA-HELLO. I don't know. I just think it's adorable. And then yeah, there is a coordinating wafer die set that'll die cut the image as well as all of the sentiments. And then on the whole punny ones, we've got I Goat You Babe. So you got your two little goats. And then you have pieces you can build like a little like drying line to hang things on, and like they've been like chewed up, you know, there's little hearts, like love it. My heart bleats for you. I goat you, babe. I choose you. We make a great pair. You've goat this. You've goat mail. I love it. Coordinating wafer die set again. Cuts everything. Love. Look at those ones. And we have a couple more of these kind of standalone sets. There's Sensational and Hugs and Kisses. So you got Hugs and Kisses. Stamp it, color it, love it. Just a great little stamp. And then this one, You Are Sensational. This is really cute. That one. And then we also have the Bonbon box. So you've got a big chocolate box. I love that like you've got the outline image you can color, but there's also solid images, so you can just stamp it and then stamp all of these quickly to color it in. And then there's little elements as well that you can stamp to decorate, you know, your little chocolates. I think that's cute. And then yeah, happy Valentine's Day. There is a coordinating wafer die that'll die cut the box, the sentiment, and then the main images, so you could also like die cut and have them like sprinkled around, you know. So got that one. And then we have this one. This is the Cozy Bear Sweet Shop. So we've got our little bear and a little customer, you know. You got all your display case, goodies, everything, you know, so you can build an entire scene. You're the sweetest. You make life sweet for my sweetheart. Like, just cute. There's a coordinating wafer die set. They'll die cut all the little elements. You can build everything. So got that one. And then there's this one. This is the Simply Sentiments Love. This one is one of my faves. I like that we've got different types of fonts for the word love, just depending on what you want to do. And then a bunch of buildable sentiments. So yeah, love everything about you. Love spending time with you. Love you to the moon and back. One of my faves. You know, love our time together. Love you so much. Sprinkled with love. You know, I love it. So there's that. And then there is a coordinating wafer die set. The cool thing about the wafer die set is it coordinates, but it's also mostly a standalone. So you've got the words in the similar fonts that you can use on their own, outlines that will work with this. This outline will work with this, you know, really detailed one. So either or. You can use them with this, or you can use them, most of them, on their own, other than like that one. And then there's even a little square one, so you can die cut this one too. I loves. So we got that. And then we have this fun swirly heart. I don't have the name of it offhand, but I'll have an image. This one is nice and big, so it'll work perfectly for a slimline card, but you could also stick it on like a regular A2 size card. Love it. And then this one is, I think this is 4-bar. Again, I'll have the image. I like that, like, she nestled all of these other dies inside. So you do obviously have to snip them apart. But you've got the word like hugs, I heart you, I, you know, love you, I owe you, any of it, you know. So you've got hugs and kisses. So you can do hugs and kisses. You've got hearts. There's other layering dies. Like, you get a lot in just this set, which I love so much. So that's the release in a nutshell. I will have links to everything, as always, in the description box below the video, as well as on my blog. On my blog, it's picture links to make life easier. And then, because Tunisia is a wonderful human being, she also sent some goodies for me to just give away. And she even included like envelopes for me, which I was like, yay. These are really nice. I like them. So I have 2 winners to like choose from. So one winner will receive the adorable little Here SPORE You stamp set and the coordinating wafer dies, as well as, and I'm kind of like, I want to keep these. These are the little Feeling Mushy sprinkles mix that come in their own container, and they're little mushroom embellishments. So look at that, as well as this little Trinity stamps, teacup wafer die, and some tea. Can never go wrong with some tea. So that's one of the giveaways. Put that with its little envelope. And then the other giveaway is this fabulous little Hugs and Kisses stamp. There's a little storage sleeve for it as well. These fabulous little XOXO embellishments. So you can do like a little shaker card or just adhere them. Those are really cute too. As well as the little teacup wafer die and a pack of tea. So those are the giveaways. I'm gonna do the same as I did last time. There will just be a link to a Google document, and you can just put your name and email address, and it'll be a random winner or winners, just like I did with my last giveaway. So that's all you have to do, is click on the Google document, put in your name and email address. I do not keep your info. I don't share your info, anything like that. I will contact you when it comes time. Also, if for some reason this triggers the spam bots like my last giveaway did, do not respond to comments that say you won, that, you know, they steal my profile picture, any of that sort of crap. I will not do that. I will not ask you for any personal info like that. I won't comment under any of your comments on my videos being like, you won, do this, contact me on WhatsApp or whatever stupid thing they're using. That's not me. That is not me. Okay? So that is all you have to do. It's just kind of that, and then I will email you from my email address, and you know, when the winners are chosen, I will contact you, get that, and then mail these out. I might include a few extra little goodies as well, because I've got some space in these little envelopes, so we'll just see. But I like doing that too, because why not? So I think that covers everything. Stay tuned. I'll have, of course, more cards and videos coming. And yeah, all the info you guys need to know is in the description box below, and I will see you guys very soon in the next video. Bye!